welcome to AD Vlogs. So this video is about my first impression review of the Soles Furious V2. To begin with, I will first discuss with you the unique features, design features that it has, which is unique to this particular product. First, you have these reflective tapes. These are removable using this Velcro here. There is no other jacket I have seen which carries these reflective strips as a stock uh, accessory. You have to purchase if you want separately. This gives you additional night visibility. Secondly, this is a touring jacket, but if need be, you can very easily uh, convert it into a complete mesh jacket. How? Let me show you. You have these zips here, on both sides, here and here, on this side too, both sides, and at the top there is a Velcro, and so you detach it from here and then you can neatly roll it down like this. And then use this button here to attach it here like this. So now this panel opens up for letting air flow in to keep you cool in warm weather conditions. Then after you are done, or while riding in colder conditions, you can detach it from here, roll it up, pull up the zips, and attach the Velcro here at the top. And then this panel is sealed and the cold air cannot go in to make you feel comfortable in cold weather conditions. You have a similar panel here at the back. You have zips on both sides. You have a Velcro to attach it at the top. You remove this Velcro, roll it down, and then use this button here to fix it here. So this opens up this panel here at the back to allow the hot air that is inside to move out of the jacket. So that's an excellent innovative design that Soles has developed. The armors, they are all CE level 2 SASTEC. It's a German company. Level 2 armors. Here is the level 2 and here is the SASTEC branding. This is the back protector. This one is the shoulder protector, SASTEC C level 2. This is the elbow protector, SASTEC and C level 2 here. And this one also has C level 2 certified chest protector, also from SASTEC. This is one of the few jackets that will provide you with a C level 2 chest protector. Most of them carry a foam protector, even the Rhinox Stealth Evo Pro V3. So Soles has done an excellent job here in terms of protection. Now coming back to the basics, you have two waterproof pockets here on both sides. These are decent enough to hold your mobile phone not too large. The 6.3 or 4 inches screen sized mobiles will comfortably fit in, or you can keep your wallets or things like that. And then you have another pocket here inside. This is again waterproof. Like this one is outside, so it has a zip which has waterproof sealing, but since this is inside, it doesn't have a waterproof sealing, but the material of the pocket inside, this thing is waterproof. Water won't percolate through this fabric. So you get three small pockets, two at the front on the outside and one inside here at the front. Next you have these two large pockets here on both sides. You have adjusters around the stomach, on the torso area here on both sides. You have adjusters on the arms here, you can adjust. You have openings for air circulation on the elbow, on the inside of the elbow, on both arms, and this has a dual zip mechanism. Then you have this zip here running on the back to attach your riding pant. You have zips here to adjust the girth of the bottom of the riding jacket around your waist. You have reflective branding here, reflective strips here on the chest. You have this pouch here at the back, which is quite normal in touring jackets, to hold your rain cover. You have accordion stretch panels here on the the elbow joint, here on the back of the shoulders for comfortable movement. You have again reflective branding here running across your shoulder. You have adjusters at the cuff on both arms, but the material here, this portion, the edges of this arm, these should have been a bit softer material. I have a Rhinox Stealth Evo Pro V3, which has really soft sponge-like material to make you feel comfortable here at the cuff, but this one doesn't have it. This might become a bit itchy in warm weather when you sweat. Then you have this closure here around your neck. Then here comes the internal thermal liner. Now this thermal liner I really appreciated when I got my hands on this product. Why? This one, normally what happens, these thermal liners are normally in other jackets, even in this Rhinox Stealth Evo Pro V3, which is among the best in this price range. These are detachable and you wear it inside. But this one, because of the way that it is designed, you can completely use it as a standalone jacket. If you wear it, there is no way one can guess that this came with your riding jacket. This is meant to be worn with your riding jacket. Apart from this Soles branding, this can be completely used as a standalone winter jacket. This is excellent, and the build quality is far superior even than the Rhinox Stealth Evo Pro V3. This is the back protective armor, chest armor. The armors I have already shown you earlier in the video. Now here around the neck, I was a little while earlier I was talking about a soft fabric that is used in the Rhinox Stealth Evo Pro here at the cuff. A similar fabric has been used around the neck here. This lining here, it is very soft, and the fabric is kind of a fleece sort of a thing which is very comfortable when you sweat. So the Rhinox Steel Thivo Pro has such a panel here at the cuff, but this thing doesn't have it. So that was all about it. I hope you liked the video. I shared with you as much details as I could about this jacket, and if you like the video, please do share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates about the new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.
Shake it, baby, come on and hit the floor. Let's get this party